Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the radio unit. This video applies to Dodge Caravans made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. To start, first open the cup holder all the way, and now just down here all the way there is like a small clip which you have to push to remove this cup holder completely. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, so I turned on the flash on my phone, so yeah, just push onto this clip and then pull it straight out. That way you'll be able to completely remove the cup holder. You'll have to remove it because there are two screws under this plastic which are holding all this assembly. Okay, the next thing you want to do, you want to pull out this plastic piece, so you can use like a flat screwdriver just to pry underneath here and pull it out. It's held by two clips on the back side, so be careful not to break those. So we had to remove that plastic piece because there are two screws hidden just under here. So this is the one, it's a Phillips, and one more Phillips here. So remove those two Phillips screws. Once you have removed those screws, there is no more screws holding this complete plastic piece. So what you want to do now, if you don't have like a plastic trim remover, just use a flat screwdriver or something similar just to pry it underneath here, because this piece is also held just by plastic pins, and just pretty much pull it off, and yeah, that's it. I'll show you now those pins. So you have two on the top, you have one here on this side and one on the other side. So yeah, and one more here. Yeah, so 6 pins altogether. Okay, so now once you have this piece hanging, to get it out of the way, you don't have to do it, but it would be good to do it. Just unplug this connector here, just push onto this clip on this side and pull it straight out, and that way you'll get much more space to work with. And now the radio is held also by 4 Phillips screws, 2 on each side, one here, and 2 on the other side as well. One here and one up here. So remove those 4 screws. Okay, these are the ones. Once you remove them, the radio will just slide straight out. It's completely loose. All that's still holding it in the back, it's the radio antenna. You can just pull that straight out, and there is one connector here as well. There is like a clip on the bottom side of it. Please keep in mind, if you are replacing this radio unit with original factory radio from a different Dodge Grand Caravan, for example, if you are getting a radio from the salvage, make sure you get the code as well, because if you just install the same radio into this van, the radio will not work. It's gonna ask you for a 4-digit code. So if you're on a salvage, we all know there's lots of these Dodge Caravans. Always look inside the glove box, and like within this this manual or whatever, there is usually like a small card size of a business card which shows you a 4-digit radio code. If you don't have that code, you will have to call the dealer. You will need to know the VIN number, the serial number of the vehicle you took the radio out from, and then they will give it to you, but most likely you'll have to pay even up to like $50. So like I said, make sure if you are buying a used factory radio, get the code from it. If you're replacing the radio with the aftermarket radio, make sure to get the wiring harness that goes to this van and connects to the back of your new radio, and you will most likely need like aftermarket radio installation kit, so that radio fits nicely into this hole, and then it's gonna look like it's original. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. I do my best to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.